Welcome to the unique episode of Made in UAE. Welcome to the unique world.
Dubai is not only a business hub, it's turning to be an educational hub now.
ഇവിടെയുള്ള പേരൻസിനൊക്കെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു കൺസേൺ ആണ് അവരുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ, എസ്പെഷ്യലി അവരുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാമിനേഷൻ്റെ കോച്ചിങ്. ബട്ട് ടുഡേ ഓൺ മേഡ് ഇൻ UAE we have a solution for that.
So now we are discussing about so their option is assistant becomes
Hi, how are you?
Well.
Yeah, thank you.
The focus is, yes, truly NEET, and that's why it's very different from school. So along with school preparations, there's a whole different type of coaching you have for competitive exams. And as I said, extra classes the support teachers give you is really great, because in school it's really different, and to prepare in less than a year for a competitive exam, it's again completely different. So when teachers are supporting you by giving you tests, by preparing you for something that's out there, it's really great and very helpful.
kind of 2D here. In here is actually this distance. Will this change? This is constant. This is constant.
I'm Varun, grade 12, and I'm from Leaders Private School, Sharjah. I've joined here in order to basically study for the boards as well as not to crack the JEE examination. I feel that the teachers are really supportive here, because they've helped us a lot in solving all our doubts, and that too with a very serious approach. And the infrastructure has also amazed me here, because world-class facilities are available, and this also boosts our coaching as well.